Hey, in this video I'm going to talk about sunk cost fallacy, which is one of the most important reasons why people keep on doing things that don't make them happy. Have you been in any of the following situations? Economics is a glorified pseudoscience with pseudo-findings published by guys whose sole intention is to get a Nobel Prize. I can't believe I wasted 2 years studying it. I wanted to be an artist. Yeah, one more year to go. I'll finish what I started. We are not good for each other. I need someone who will go skydiving and quad biking with me, and he's such a homebody. This is not going anywhere. But we know each other so well. We've been through so much. It would take so much time to build something like this with someone else. It's probably not worth it. Maybe it's better to work on what we've got, and we've been together for 5 years after all. I can't read this. Oh my god. What page am I at? 80. Wow, I'm strong. How many more to go? 300. I've already read almost a third. I might as well withstand this torture now.
Give me a kiss.
This movie's awful. Can we go?
No, we paid for the tickets.
Sounds familiar? Well, this is the sunk cost fallacy. We've invested time and effort into something, and we don't want this investment to go into waste. But this is irrational. The time has been already spent. The effort's been already made, and we can't take that back. We can't change the past. So really, the only thing that should concern us is the future. How do I want my future to be? What choices can I make right now that will produce the best outcome for my future? What happened in the past is not a consideration. I spent 1 hour of my life reading a very boring book. Can I take that back? No. But why would I spend another 3 hours of my life to continue reading it? At this moment in time, I can either save myself 3 hours or lose 3 hours. Sunk cost fallacy can really prevent us from making decisions that are good for us. It's not just about, reading a book, but it's about ending toxic relationships. It's about quitting a job that you hate. If this video helped you to make the right choice, please let me know in the comments. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button because more similar content is coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.